This is the passion of me finding that I'm actually good at something that I never even had the opportunity to learn. I never had the chance to actually have the courage to go do it. So this is my courage to me, and I'm putting it onto you. Go do something that you've always wanted to do. And come tell me, okay? Hey guys, welcome to Love for Things. I'm your host, Naomi. In this channel, you will see me do all the things that I've always wanted to do as a child. Maybe you will get inspired, get motivated, or maybe transform into the better version of yourself. So follow me into this journey of self-discovery. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. In this video, I want to show you guys my version of becoming Picasso. I am becoming an artist, people. I can draw. Oh my gosh. I remember the days of my college that I was in this art class, and they required me to do an artwork. And I remember that was just so nerve-wracking because I was one of those people that I always wanted to learn how to draw, to do all the things that is creative, is handmade, I always wanted to make something out of my hand. And I've always admired those who can paint, who can draw, especially makeup artists. In my line of work as a model, I always admire the makeup artists that can paint something on me, and I'm like, wow, I look like someone else. So it has always enticed me to try something. So this is the time that I figure I should try something new. I'm home all the time now, so I gotta learn something new, developing new skills. I hope you guys are actually finding ways to develop new skills, finding ways to help yourself grow, keep yourself out of this boredom of staying home all the time. So in my way of staying home and developing new skills is I wanted to draw. And drawing is part of something that I have admired. So I wanted to learn the basics, learn how to draw from scratch, from like a baby starting, or like a child starting from scratch. I wanted to learn the basic, how to hold a pencil, how to hold the page, or how to even look at the page, or look at the sculpture, or look at the art. So in my way of doing it, obviously now I have means of doing it, because when I was a child I never really had the means to actually learn how to do a lot of things. I never learned how to ride a bike until I became an adult, and that's how I actually learned how to ride a bike. I never learned how to swim when I was little. I learned how to swim as an adult. So that is part of the things that I always wanted to learn as a child. And drawing is part of it because I want to put my art in my room, in my house, that is what I did. Even if it's like a scribble, it is my work. And plus, I would show my children's children and say, grandmother or great-great-great-great-grandma was an artist. Guys, I'm planning to leave a legacy here. It's not just for me, it's not just for me to get out of my boredom, it's for me to actually leave something out there for someone to get inspired, okay? So today I will take you guys on my freaking place. Like, I will take you guys, this is my station here. As you can see, my artwork is back here. As you can see, I have set up my little art studio in a way that I can come downstairs and just come and study and just relax and actually learn how to draw and learn how to just be, basically. So my first try of drawing, yeah. You did not want to see it. I'm like, but you know what? I loved the progression. My progression is spectacular. To me, it is. I don't know if to you, if you see it, but to me, it's amazing. But first, let me show you what I drew before I could even go online to go look at anything. I wanted to see if I can draw something on my own without any knowledge, without any information, just on my own. Let me see how I can do it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Arts School of Love for Things. Isn't that beautiful? This is me trying to draw my face. I mean, like you can see, this is my first attempt at drawing. I did good, right? This is the inspiration. It kind of looked like me, right? It kind of looked like me, but it's not me exactly. But I understand that because I had no information, I had no knowledge, I had nothing. So this is the end result of me actually going on YouTube and actually finding a video and following the instructions to my best ability. You ready? That is a face, right? That is a face. I have drawn a face. I mean, it looks like a face that is more of the makeup school. People used to actually put makeup to see how it looks on model first before they put it on us. So basically that's the face that people do all the time. So I think I did good, right? I think I did good. And guys, I've always struggled to draw a nose. I drew a nose. This is a nose. I am so happy about this. So this actually inspired me. This actually motivated me to actually go and look much further. So I went on the website called Skillshare. Skillshare is a website you can learn anything and everything. So Skillshare is one of those websites that you take free classes and it's subscription based. It's monthly and yearly. And all you do there is basically take free classes and learn new skills, develop new habits, and improve on your social media presence. Guys, you can actually learn anything on anything about anything on that Skillshare.com. And actually you can teach people, actually create your own course in that website. So me learning how to draw is someone actually putting that information on that website and now taking it as a class there for a month. And basically I'm giving you guys 2 free months of you guys just going to learn something new. Go improve your Instagram game. Go improve your photographer game. Go learn how to sing, draw, learn new habits, learn self-development, learn marketing, learn a lot of different things. Let me just show you what I have been doing, just learning the 2 weeks I've been learning on this program. Let me show you my progression. So I basically learned how to do circles and scribbles and signs and actually shapes. While I was learning all of this, it's so boring because it's like, when are we gonna draw? That's how I felt. I was like, I don't want to do this. But guys, when I was repeatedly doing it, it became easy for me. It became like, okay. So I scribbled and these are my scribbles. This is me learning how to do circles. Learning how to draw an egg is very hard to draw an egg for me. I don't know, like I've been trying to do it, but it's so difficult because it's so hard to draw a circle. So guys, I was so feeling very proud of myself for all my little hard work that I've done and everything else. So when I was taking my dog for a walk, I saw this tree in the middle of the night, like in the evening when I was walking my dog. And I took a picture of it. I said, let me see if I have actually studied and I've actually learned something to draw this picture. And it's basically a picture, this picture. I sat down on my table here. I said, okay, I'm going to do this without me learning, without watching. I'll just watch what I do and look at the picture and then draw what I see. My result is I drew a tree. It looks like a tree. It's a tree, people. It's a tree. I don't care what, it's a tree for me. So this is really good. This is showing me that I can actually draw. I'm actually good at drawing. So guys, I just want to give you guys a little tip. Like, don't listen to a lot of people. Just go do the things that you want to do, even as a child. I know. I had to like dig in from myself to tell myself, what do you want to do in this life, Naomi? As an adult now, you have the means. You have, no one is saying no to you right now. What do you want to do? And I put down my pen and paper and I jotted a lot of things that I always wanted to do as a child. So this is one of them. And guys, let me show you my the first bird I ever drew. If I say I'm a drawer, I'm an artist. I am an artist. I'll prove it to you. So first I'll show you, this is the shapes I've been doing. The circles. And now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to see my first bird? It's not that I'm flipping it, although I want to flip it, but I want to show it to you. Are you ready? Are you ready? What? I drew a bird, people. I drew a bird. In my life, I've never been able to draw anything, honestly. Never even had the opportunity to learn. And now I learned that I can draw as an adult. Little girl, little boy, if something is holding you back, or someone has ever told you that you would not be able to do that because it's not yours, it does not belong to you, no, it's not you, no, you won't be able to do it, do not believe them. Please do not, but take it from me, the person that has always heard no. Go do the things that you've always wanted to do. Try it, fail at it, succeed at it, but do it. Just do it. I thought that was a fluke. I'm like, maybe that was just a fluke. I'm not that good at something. I'm not good at it. Let me try to draw it again. You wanna see? I drew a bird. I can draw birds. 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 And I'm so excited that I can learn to do it on my computer, right sitting in my house. I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have anyone to come talk to me and come touch me with weird stuff on them. I can do it on my computer, and I can do it in the comfort of my own home. On my computer, on my phone, on my iPad, I can do it on my phone. So guys, use this 2 months of free knowledge, free information, so you can learn something new. At least go improve your social media presence. Come on, or go improve your morning habits. Go improve your self-development. Go improve how you journal, because I also struggle on how to journal, but that is another video. I want to encourage you, try something new this month or next month or this week or today. Try something new. And guys, don't forget to check out the links below. You will get all the information about what I'm using in my art studio, which is my art supplies, my camera that I'm using, my ring light I'm using right now, the plans behind, everything that you want information about is actually going to be in the description below. So go get your 2 free months, guys. 2 free months of free information, free classes, free of you becoming the you that you always have been. Thank you so much for watching Love for Things. I'm your host, Naomi. Go with God, go with love. Peace.